All right, y'all, we are back. We have What's the Vibe, and it's just been like about a hate and ass friend. So let's see what comes out in the deck. It hasn't all been about a hate and ass friend. If you guys are in separation with the person, they still love you. They're just working some stuff out. So don't panic about that. Strong hate, hateration. I can never say I'm like always on point, but why is this crazy person in the background? They want to be you. Ew. They are so mad at this relationship that you are going to be in or that you're currently in right now. Or even you're just loving on yourself. They don't like that. They do not like that you love yourself. I am telling you, because when you were on the lower vibration, you tend to let things slide. It's okay. I've been there. I let shit slide. We all let shit slide. But now we're not letting anything slide. These people are stuck. Dead end. Frozen. Nightlife. Striptease, gamble, Vegas. Y'all about to Y'all about to go on vacation or go out. Y'all haven't been out in forever. Y'all are about to go out and have a really good night. Recharge, breathe, let go, clear your minds. You deserve it. After everything you've been through, you made it. Puzzled, they're confused as to how you made it. Perplexed, conflicted. I should have said that in the tarot video. Cassie. Shh. Shh. I was hype in the beginning. Too much can ruin and then beginning. Now I'm hungover off your love. I'm hungover off your love. I think some news just hit about her. That her song hit me yesterday. I'm just not getting the moments to get all this energy out. Epiphany, answered questions, untapped talents, family. So this person that is the psychopath could be in your family. I just literally just said this version 2 seconds ago in the other video, where you have to go within to determine who this person is. They could be in your family. They literally just want to be you. Mom, dad, cousin, brother, stepsister, stepbrother, it doesn't, aunt, uncle. Cutting ties, freedom, standing up, epiphany. Maybe, yeah, this definitely feels like family today. Cut. No. If this weekend you felt tired, it's okay. Hopefully you got up. If someone, made you feel like you needed to stay in bed, hopefully you got up. You gotta fight those urges. But I did say I feel like something is ending. Or something is dead, drowning. Over your head, overextended, rock bottom. Someone has hit rock bottom. And then I just said in the other video that you got to destroy before you can elevate. So I really think that time has hit that person. Yeah. Healing. and establish self-care, introspection, meditation, establish, secure, wealthy. Like, this is what you guys are in. You guys are healing and establishing yourself. Like, I literally just said, you have to destroy before you can elevate. And when you elevate, you secure yourself, you settle down, you get established, you put roots down. Now my voice is changing. Gotta love it. Antisocial, clingy. They keep coming out in your fields, silent treatment, left out, old exes, dead relationships. And I literally just said something is dead. So again, what's dead is dead. And if you don't understand, get the fuck out my face. Right? Right. Old ways. Old stuff has to go. The world came out. What's behind those two? Distance, divorce, ghost, separated, soulmate. They're mad that you have this soulmate, friendship, romantic partner. The romantic, they are just so mad at this relationship because this relationship is going to melt like garlic butter on some shrimp. Yeah, with some other seasonings, of course, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's just gonna go together. And people are mad. Everybody is mad. Everybody is mad because you begin to the money, right? Again, still money, relationship. They try to block and stop so much for you, but you're getting it. Don't worry. Hearts, kisses, and bye.